This is CNN Breaking News.
And we do want to start this hour with breaking news. Ukraine launching a missile attack on Russia's naval headquarters. We're going to show you some video. You can see the smoke rising in this video. This is the city of Sevastopol. It is one of the largest cities in the Ukrainian peninsula of Crimea and was illegally annexed by Moscow's forces in 2014. Russian state media says debris is, quote, scattered for hundreds of meters. Now, Ukrainian officials have not yet commented on the incident. It has been an area and a specific strategic target the Ukrainians have spoken about, talked about over the course of this entire conflict. CNN's Katie Polglaze has more. What do we know at this moment? I know this is breaking and moving quickly. What's your understanding of things on the ground?
Connection terminated. All network broadcast for the public is currently being halted at the request of the United States government and the Department of Defense. Please pay heed to the information that will be given by the following message. The safety of all our citizens is of utmost importance for the United States government. Thank you for your compliance. Please stand by. In communication. Warning. The emergency action system has been activated under the level of national emergency. This is not a test. Please stand by as instructions will be given to you. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Department of Defense. This is not a test. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has reported that the U.S. is now being subjected to an attack by Russia. There is a confirmed report that 12 nuclear intercontinental ballistic missiles have been launched at 7 have been intercepted. The remaining 5 will strike the following targets after 10-20 minutes. Los Angeles, Seattle, Chicago, Boston, Miami. Within a 300-mile radius, everyone must seek out fallout shelter actively. Nuclear fallout, a byproduct of these attacks, is damaging to health as it can cause deformations, cancers, and even death when exposed to it for a prolonged period of time. If one building nearby is designated as a fallout shelter, immediately take refuge. An alternate option is to enter a minor asylum at the base interior of a rigid building's floor space. Make sure to acquire battery-powered radio, food, drink, and medicine such as potassium iodide. Avoid communication by telephone and save it for emergency operations. Tune into an active network station for more information. The President will document the situation by radio and television in a short amount of time.